Rami here. During the acceleration of the deterioration, there will also be an acceleration of the accentuation. There will be more of the bad and more of the good, too. The bad will help people to see the importance of creating the good and the whole. There really are two different types of climate change happening on the Earth. One affects Gaia and then affects the human world by default. The other kind is a warming of temperatures in the human world, causing all the anger and hostility. The solution to human climate issues is to reject fear and embrace love. This is what Christ demonstrates. Christ is being supported through acceleration of the support available to willing hearts and minds. Christ accentuates the human world and the natural world, while building its own new world, all at the same time. Our focus is on Christ and the construction of the new world, the new earth. This is the kingdom of God. It's God's kingdom because only God is in it. There is no resistance to God in the kingdom. There is only accentuation through individualization within the whole. Christ is creating a home for God because the human world left little room for her. She was excluded and unwelcome. It is taking all of us together to weave a new tapestry. Have you heard stories about various pioneers and how hard their lives were? This is the same with all the Christ offices currently. Your lives are often very demanding because there is only a small group doing the work. Like other pioneers, you have felt the weight of the world's burdens on your backs. I will speak tomorrow about Christ's self-care during these turbulent times. Namaste, Rami.